In front of me is NUBIA Air, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, you need to download any app you wanna set up as your new default. Let's go with Firefox browser. Then enter Devices Settings and scroll to tab on Apps. Don't worry, I tested it, it will work, because after entering apps, you can tap on default apps right away. Now tap on any section you wanna manage, in my case browser app, and tap on an app you wanna apply as your current default. When you finished, go back. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!